it's Gina from Orchid and Opal Jewelry and Beads, and I'm here today with another subscription unboxing for August 2018. I have the bargain bead box in front of me right now. As you can see, it always comes in this very nice teal mailer, and I'm going to open it up with you guys so we can all check out what is inside at the same time. I have absolutely no idea what the theme is of this month's box or what is included, but for those who don't know or haven't seen my previous bargain bead box unboxings, it is a monthly jewelry making and bead subscription that is only $15.95 a month. It is one of the least expensive bead subscriptions out there, and they include not only beads but also findings, charms, things like that that you can use to make jewelry. So, you know, it's a really nice value, and I always like how they coordinate what they send. So let's see. The details of their website and everything will be down below in the information section. Alright, so I think I got everything out. And let's see what our letter says. It says, our theme this month is Sunset Woods. So that sounds lovely. Warm colors in crystal, glass, and carnelian combine with rose gold accents for a look that moves effortlessly from summer to fall. The stunning high-value centerpiece features a wirework tree over a smooth gemstone teardrop. You'll receive either carnelian or red jasper, each carefully chosen to coordinate perfectly with August color palette. That's awesome. That's really cool. I'm excited. So, as usual, they have a list of everything that's included on the back. So you can see there's going to be 14 different items. And we will take a look. It says the approximate retail value for this shipment is $66. Let's see what we got. Seeing some orange already. Alright, so we have this very nice organza bag here, which I am going to save. I'm building up quite a nice collection of organza bags, but of course we're here for what's inside. So let's take a look. I'm going to empty the contents beside me. Seeing some beautiful things already. Alright, and we'll go down the list and check out what's inside. So number one is 4 pieces of 14 by 15 millimeter Chinese crystal hexagon beads. Magma AB is the color. Check these out. These are very nice. Very, very nice. Look at the AB finish. They are stunning. These are what I saw right away when I opened up the box. And they're going to make some gorgeous jewelry, particularly earrings. I could even see wire wrapping these with gold wire. Oh, I love them. Faceted like that. Beautiful. Okay, so then let's move on. Our next item is 100 pieces of 4 millimeter Chinese crystal bicones in light Topaz. So that's these right here. Got some Chinese crystal bicones in the 4 millimeter size, and they usually send at least one set of 4 millimeter Chinese crystal bicones in their boxes, which, you know, they're not the best quality or anything compared to like Swarovski, but they do the job when you're talking about, like, you know, needing the color. They're not as regular in size for bead weaving, but I still use them. So there's those. And then number 3 is 10 pieces of 10 millimeter carnelian round gemstone beads. Okay. Here's number 3. Okay, let's take a look. I love gemstone beads. Oh, these are very cool. Oh, there's one more. Check out how beautiful those are. They're all a little different, especially that one. That one's a lot different. Very pretty. Very pretty striations of color. orangey sunset type colors as they described in their letter. Okay, and then number 4 is 4 pieces of 22mm leaf cutout drop. So number 4, these are cool. I love these. Beautiful. Drops, just like it says, they're kind of like charms. They are super shiny. Just trying to get the best angle on there for you for the light. And you can see the details in there of the leaf, the cutout. That's very nice. So, excited about those. Alright, and then number 5 is 2 pieces of 36 by 23mm looped leaf chandelier component. Number 5. Let's take a look. So these, oh, these are cool. These are very nice. Very unique. They're very lightweight. But you know what? I thought I was going to be able to bend them, and I'm glad you can't. They are very strong, even though they are so lightweight. But these are a really cool component. I mean, you could even use them in a necklace, if I can talk today, as connectors. But, you know, clearly you can see how you'd be able to use them for earrings, dangling things off of them as well. So, really unique items those are. So every month, Bargain Bead Box does a great job of coordinating their items, and they usually go with one particular metal color that they're going to stick with for the theme, which is really nice because then you can coordinate the pieces together easily if you wanted to make something from the pieces here and not have to add too much from your own stash. Alright, number 6 is 2 sets of bamboo style toggle clasps. I love these. These are really nice. So it's so nice getting toggle clasps like this. And you know, they have so many beautiful toggle clasps out there with different designs. I love the simplicity of these, but yet you can still tell that they have that bamboo look. You know, gives your pieces a lot of nice detail when you use a really nice clasp like that. Super cute. Okay, and the next thing we are looking for is number 7, 10 grams of 8mm dotted cone bead caps. Okay, very nice. So see, we're getting bead caps too. You get a little bit of everything. It's a great variety for the money. Aren't these cute? So you could use them for bead caps. You could even use them on the ends of necklaces near the clasp. Like if you were doing a multi-strand necklace, like with seed beads, you could gather them all up and then hide the end in here and then use a clasp on the other side. So I use these types of findings quite a bit. For those purposes, because these bead caps, you know, you could use them for that, but being that they're so wide or long, they'd be great for the ends of necklaces or bracelets, I think, if you were trying to gather up strands. Okay, so then we're looking for number 8, and that is 50 pieces of 4mm brass spacer beads rose gold finish. Okay, very nice. Great to have spacer beads, and I definitely don't have this color, so I really appreciate that. I'm going to set these down. And then we're looking for number 9, and that is 48 pieces of 4mm textured frosted glass beads, Silk AB. Okay, where is that? Number 9. Here we go. Very cute. So look at the beautiful matte finish on those. And they're very sparkly. Cute. Just trying to get a nice close-up on those so you can see the finish. There we go. Okay. Okay, number 10 is 7.5 inches of 6mm red agate round gemstone beads in an AB finish. Oh my goodness. Oh, I absolutely love these. Look, they have, where is it? Find an example for you. I just saw one. So look at like this one right here. It looks like it has like a little druzy detail right there. I don't know if that's an imperfection. I've seen some beads like this though that are pretty expensive with those druzy details. But you can tell these are really nice. Some areas on the beads are sparkly. You can see the AB finish, you know, lightly on these beads, which is gorgeous. And parts of them have kind of a matte look. But I love the variations in color too. You know, you see a lot of the reddish, the brown, the gold, all together, a little bit of that orangey tone, which will really pull a lot of these topaz and, you know, similar colors together with these orangey red beads. Very nice. And then number 11 is 16 pieces of 6mm Chinese crystal cube beads in pale topaz. Oh, these are lovely. Just beautiful. I can see how so many of these items would coordinate to make some beautiful pieces this month. Check those out. Very, very pretty. Okay, and then we are looking for number 12, and that is 24 pieces of 8mm carnelian round gemstone beads. Right here. Beautiful. So, gotta love gemstones. Very, very pretty reddish orange. Very nice. Okay. Number 13 is 1 meter of 3mm style Rolo jewelry chain. Okay. And I go through a lot of chain. I'm so excited to get some in this color. Oh, this is beautiful. Gorgeous chain. You see that? So it's a Rolo chain. I love the size of it. I love the shape of it. It's very shiny. Cute. All right. So we're down to our last item, and that's number 14. It says approximately 50 by 30mm teardrop gemstone pendant with rose gold finished brass tree overlay. And it says you'll either receive the carnelian or the red jasper. So let's take a look. This is gorgeous. Check this out. So it looks like I received the red jasper. And this is so pretty. I'm going to take it out of the plastic so you can really see how beautiful it is up close. Check that out. Isn't that beautiful? I just love that so much. I cannot wait to create a necklace with that. That's truly stunning. And I can see why that is the showstopper of this box. So I'm going to set that right in the middle. But yeah, that does it for the August 2018 bargain bead box. And as always, I hope this helped you to give you some examples of what they send, how much they send, how they coordinate their pieces, the type of quality, of items that they send, so you can make that decision for yourself whether or not you feel like the $15.95 is a good deal for you to get all this shipped directly to your mailbox. I do. It's one of my favorite boxes because I feel like, you know, the price is very, very fair for everything you get, and you really get some unique pieces and findings and chain, which is fantastic. So, let me know what your favorite item is this month if you liked it. Let me know if you have any questions. And thank you again, as always, for being with me. I can't wait to share with you in future videos what I make with some of these beautiful pieces. And I appreciate you being here and watching. Thanks, everybody. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I would also love for you to follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, and Etsy. Orchid and Opal Jewelry. Thanks for watching!